What's going on, guys? In today's video, I want to share with you some side hustles that you can start doing right now to make some extra income, especially with the holidays coming around. Now, you might be in school, you might have a full-time job, but I guarantee you we can all use that extra income, right? What I personally love about having these side hustles, these side incomes, is that you can do it on your own time. You don't have to clock in anywhere specifically. You don't have to follow anyone's except the app's rules, and pretty much you are your own boss. All right, so let's get started. Side hustle number one of my favorite ones, and I've actually done this one, is doing Uber Eats. And the reason why I like it is because you can just turn your app on and off whenever you decide to do the jobs or whatever they have available, and you can just leave whenever you like. After you're done with the customer, you can actually just deliver their food, go home, clock out, and you do it in the app. Super simple. And I've seen reviews, people are actually making $200 to $300 extra bucks a week. So it's definitely not bad. It's one of my favorite ones. So if you decide to do it, maybe give that one a shot. Also, before we continue, I want you guys to leave in the comments below anything that I'm missing, anything that you would like to know, so I can do more research and give you guys better feedback. All right, side hustle number two. Side hustle number two, I really enjoy it, and I've done it before as well. It's Amazon Flex. I really enjoyed it. They pay 15 to 25 bucks an hour, depending on the hour blocks that they have, and they usually run anywhere from 3 to 5 hours. A 3-hour block is $54, and a 5-hour block is $90. Now, sometimes they have the search, which will pay a little bit more for doing the same job at 3 hours, or the one at 5 hours. Sometimes it goes up to 100, 120. So pretty much just depends on your city or where you're living. Now, downfall to doing Amazon Flex is that you have to use your own gas. You have to pay out of pocket for upfront for the gas that you use. Same with Uber Eats, or same with any of this driving or do-it-yourself type of platforms. But again, I've read the reviews, I did it myself, and I actually enjoy it a lot. You do meet people, and it's a fun little trip. You get to know the city because you're driving around delivering packages, and you get to meet people, you get to enjoy the city, and you do it on your own time. You can pick the blocks, or whenever they have different blocks, the starting time, and you have 3 hours. Whether you finish a little bit earlier or a little bit later, you still get paid the same amount. So always try to do it a little faster. All right, so side hustle number three. Now this one, I just found out about it while I was doing the research for this video, and it's actually charging scooters. Now, depending on the city that you live, you might have seen that they have a bunch of different scooters laying around, electric scooters, and this is actually the job that they're offering, or the side hustle that they're offering. You will pick up the scooters, take them to your home, charge them, and then the next day you're going to park them wherever they have the placing areas for the scooters, and you get paid for that. So it's pretty cool. I haven't done this one, but I read the reviews while I was doing the research. It looks like a pretty cool gig. You can make up to 100 bucks a day. Some people, they said they've made more. So look into it. All right, so side hustle number four. Now this one is a little tricky, it's a little bit more complicated than the other ones, but it's very simple. I've done this one myself. It's called Tackle. This one, you're doing chores for people, and they have anywhere from lawn mowing, they have car washing, they have pressure washing, they have home cleaning, they have TV installs, they have painting, they have vacuum, they have everything. Anything you can think of that people don't have time to do the chores, you're actually the one that does it, and they have a fixed price. So you know how much you're getting before you accept to do the chore. And then the customer, on the other hand, they get to pick from the list of providers that they have. It's a pretty cool side hustle. Give it a try. I mean, you can do it on your free time. You don't have the set schedule. You'll know ahead of time. Usually the customers are pretty flexible on the hours. So it might be something that you can do in the morning before if you work at night, or if you work at night and your day's off, then you can do this too. Side hustle number five. Now this one's very, very popular. A lot of people are doing it. But in case you didn't know, Airbnb. I love Airbnb, because if you have an extra room, I've seen some people even list their couches for 20 bucks a night. So if you have a couch, you have a nice little area where you can put it out for rent. You can make a little extra income. You know, maybe it'll help pay for rent, maybe it'll help pay for your car. So Airbnb is super, I mean, I love it. I never stayed in one, but I did try doing Airbnb and I enjoy it a lot. So I'll put some links in the description so you guys can go and check it out and see if this is something for you. But Airbnb, again, I like it. Some people don't, because you will meet strangers. Like, some people are not comfortable with having strangers in their like privacy. That's the only downfall. But other than that, I really enjoyed it. I met a lot of cool people, so give that one a try. All right, now I'm gonna give you a bonus one, and this is my favorite one of them all, because I have a full-time job, but at the same time, I like extra income. And this one, it doesn't have the best rep to it, but it's my favorite one, and it's called network marketing. Now, as a bonus, I want to talk about it a little bit because I feel like people don't have the right ideas, or they don't really know what's network marketing. So I encourage you to do your research and maybe pick a company that you like, or if you don't have that much capital to start, network marketing is great because while you have a job, you can work the business part-time and then you can build it up to a full-time income. Now, like I said, do your research, see what company you would like to start with. That's my bonus tip. I hope you guys like this little side hustles that you can do. I'll put some links in the description so you guys can go check it out, read more a little bit about it, and decide if these side hustles are for you. And if you do, please, if I missed something, if you want to add so we can keep the conversation going, put in the comments some ideas or some side hustles that you think people don't really know too much about, but it will be cool if we can get the conversation started. All right, and maybe we can all expand, and who knows, anybody can put a little extra money in their pocket. The holidays are coming. All right guys, thank you so much for watching the video. My name is Daniel. Hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. All right, have a good one.